Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create vertical text in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we have just selected a blank image template in the Canva, and now we are just going to change the background color of this template. So I've selected this template and clicked on color palette option available above, and here we will select whatever the color we want. Now we are going to text, add a heading, and here I'm just going to write digital. Okay, we have selected the text, and now we are going to change the color of this text to white, and here in the font type we are just going to type Algeria. Okay, we have simply selected it. Right now we are going to decrease the size so that it gets properly fitted. Okay, now we are going to place it over here, right? Then another subheading, and here I'm just going to type Bicana and then change the font type again to this one, Fatimi font, right? Let me increase the size like this, place it over here, and this. You can also select both the text together and then can reduce as per your requirement, right? In this manner, you can simply create a vertical text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bicana YouTube channel right now.